Welcome to Madras Samayal channel. Today we are going to see about dondakaya fry. In Telugu it's called as dondakaya. In English it is ivy gourd. In Tamil it is kovakai. Okay, anything is fine. Before entering to the video, please subscribe my channel to get very amazing videos and surprising videos in terrace gardening and cooking also. I am taking half kg of dondekaya and I make it wash properly. Then you have to cut it for that. Have to cut it for very small in pieces. After you cut a small pieces, uh, yeah, take a tawa and add 2 spoons of oil. After getting heat, you add the curry leaves. Then you cut onion and be ready with it. That onion also you will use it and make it fry for 5 minutes. Add some salt to make onion fry soon. Yeah, so make it fry for 5 minutes at least. Then you add that dondakaya which was already cut. Make it fry for at least 2 minutes. Then you have to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, not half teaspoon, very small amount is enough, and 1 spoon of pepper powder. Then we have to add 1 spoon of chili powder. So that chili is based on our spicy range, so if you want more spicy we can add more chili powder, so depends upon it. So this chili powder is homemade, so that different in color. After frying everything, finally you add the tomato. So if you add the tomato initially itself, it cannot cook properly, so other vegetables or onion. Then make it close for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes your side dish is ready. It will be very tasty one. If please taste it, if it is more spicy you can add the coconut also. Some people are not like that coconut adding. If you are adding coconut, we have to use it before 1 day or else it will be wasted. I think side dish is ready. So dondakaya fry is ready for you. So please comment if you have any doubts. Please try in your home. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye.